Hello dear students, today session we will study about the place value and face value. This already you learned in class 3. So we can come to a topic, place value and face value. Place value and face value. What is place value? The place value of a digit in a number depends upon the place of a digit in a number. Okay? And what is face value? The face value of a digit is the digit itself. Okay? So I will explain it with an example, then you will understand more. Consider the number is given as 9 crore 72 lakh 56,843. Okay, 9 crore 72 lakhs 56,843. So what is the place value and face value of these numbers? So we can write the place value and face value. Okay, so before writing this place value, we need to know what is the place of the digits, where the exactly its place. So we need to find the place of each digit in this number. So you can see that the last digit is 3 here, isn't it? 3 is on which place? Ones place. That means 3 ones. 3 ones means place value is 3. Then 4 is on tens place. Okay, 4 is on tens place means 4 tens. That is what? 40. Okay, now 8 is on 100 place. That means 8 hundreds. That means 800. Okay, and 6 is on thousands place. That means 6,000. And you can see that next number is 5. 5 is on which place? 5. It is on 10,000 place. So 5 10,000s. That means what? 50,000. Okay, 50,000. And next number is 2. That is on lakhs place. That means how many lakhs? 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs means how can we write 2 lakhs? Okay, and now 7 is on 10 lakhs place. So 7 10 lakhs means what? 7 lakhs. Okay, sorry 70 lakhs. Then 9 is on crores place. Okay, so 9 crore. That is 9 crore. How we can write this, like this way. Okay, if you are feeling any difficulty in writing the place value of this big numbers, an easy method is there. You can see that in 9 crore it is after 9 how many digits are here? You can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So instead of these digits, if you are putting zeros, you will get a 9 crore. Like that in 7 10 lakhs. That means in 7 lakhs after 7 you can see that how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. Instead of these digits, if you are putting that much zero, you will get a 70 lakhs. Okay, that is an easy method. You can follow that method to find out the place value of each digit. Okay, now we go to the face value. You can see that 3 is in one's place. That is 3 is the place value. Same, you know that as per our definition, the face value of a digit is the digit itself. So it is a digit itself. Only the digit, if you are writing, you will get the face value of that number. Okay, so 3 ones, that means 3. Place value is 3, face value is what? 3. It is on place value. You can see that 4 is on tens place. It is 40, but the face value is what? 4 itself. Like that 8 face value 8 6 5 it is 5, 2 it is 2. So face value, it is the digit itself. Okay, so place value, you need to find out the place of the each digit, but in the case of face value, it is the digit itself. So that's all for today. Hope you understand what I said. Thank you.